guys, hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro, and this is my daughter Sky. Sky, can you say hi?
Hi.
So Sky is 8, and I'm recording her in portrait mode, and I'm using the iPhone 10, so this does not have the extra depth sensing stuff in it that the other one does. I think iPhone XR, even that one doesn't have a way to record video in portrait mode, which is basically just blurring out the background and doing this nice crisp low or shallow depth of field look. All right, so here, this is how we're doing the screen recording. I want to go through this quickly with you guys so you know how to do it as well. So I'm going into settings and then down to control center. Access within apps, yes. We're going to do customize controls, and typically more controls down here is where you might find the screen recording app right here. So you can move that around. That's so you know which one I'm talking about. All right, so you swipe down from the top right, and you should see over here, if you long press on it, it's going to open up this little dialog, and you can turn the microphone on, which is what you're going to need in order to do what we're doing in this video. All right, we're gonna stop recording, and it's gonna go to our camera roll. So here you can see on her, the video looks nice. You see the background's nicely blurred out. I'm gonna tap, and I'm going to put this little triangle, I don't remember how to pronounce it, reticule, it's not right.
It's something.
It's something, thank you. So I'm gonna put it down here, just on the same depth, but out of the way. Okay, so it's gonna record her right here, and you're gonna notice that, and I'm going to drop down the lighting here so a little bit, and you can see that we're getting this really nice blurred background and sharp focus on the video without having to go into DSLR. So this is nice professional looking video. So now what do you do with this?
That's actually pretty fun.
Okay. All right, so I'm going here, I'm going to select the video I just made, and we're going to click Create Movie. I'm in iMovie.
Oh.
And you're gonna see I'm gonna rotate. No, I'm not gonna rotate. I'm gonna leave it how it is. Okay, but we are going to remove rotation lock. And here we go. Okay, so now you can see we have the video. I'm gonna twist on the screen so that it is now here. So you can see we've got that focus point saying this is where we're focusing. And right here you can see I'm adjusting the aperture. I believe that's the right name here. So right here, this is where we're going to start using the video, and this is what you want to try and get to. So we're going to tap here on the video, tap on zoom, and zoom in right here. So you can see now that we're getting this really nice looking DSLR quality, or very close to DSLR quality video from our iPhone 10. And this works with any of the iPhones that have the portrait mode in it, and you have to just be a little bit creative with where you place the focus point, and then zoom in a little bit, and you guys can do some really amazing work with this this setup. This is not completely figured out though, so I definitely would like some advice on how do you do this without a second person adjusting the focal point. You cannot stream, or I'm sorry, mirror to Apple TV, which is what I typically do to make sure I'm in the shot correctly when you do this, because you can't screen record at the same time. So comments in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this is very helpful to so many of you. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends.